Good morning, friends, and welcome to Ultravision Academy. Standard 12 Science English Medium, subject Computer. So, as we have completed chapter number 5, now we will see objective questions regarding this chapter. So, which is the most popular online bookstore? Well, the answer is Amazon.com. Name the 4 online bookstores. So these are Amazon.com, shopping.indiatimes.com, www.buybookindia.com, and www.bookshopofindia.com. These are the names given in your book. Name the e-newspaper. Actually, you have to give the name that is available in your textbook. So that is www.washingtonpost.com. Which is the most popular auction site? That is www.ebay.com. And which type of auction have limited participation of people? So that is traditional auction. Name the types of persons involved in an online auction. So there are 2 types of persons, seller and bidder. What we need to do first to sell an item through online auction site? We need to create our account. So registration of our own, that is necessary in account in website. What is the benefit for a bidder in an online auction? So bidder can save the time to get the product. That is the benefit for a bidder. So he has not to remain present at a particular place. It can be done online. Then what is the benefit for a seller in an auction, in an online auction? So for seller, the seller can get a good price because this is online auction. So anybody from the world can get connected and bid for a particular product. Then name the various auction sites. Well, these websites are www.ebay.com, then www.onlineauction.com, www.mybids.in, and www.ubid.com. Name the Indian Railway e-ticket reservation site. Well, that is irctc.co.in. What is the full form of IRCTC? Remember, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited. That is the full form of IRCTC. Name the various marketing and selling websites where we can purchase something online. So that is www.homeshop18.com, flipkart.com, mintra.com, and makemytrip.com. Actually, MakeMyTrip, there we cannot purchase anything, but we can select a particular tour package. Who provides online billing facility? Remember, the companies who need to send the bills to a large number of customers periodically can use online billing. For example, Gujarat Electricity Board, BSNL, all these companies. Give example of information services website. Well, the most popular that we have seen nowadays, that is gseb.org, from where we can view board results. So that is information service. What type of online support services are provided? Remember, after selling the products, companies provide online support. That is known as support service. Software companies provide online support for installation, configuration, etc. So that is also support service. And hardware vendors put software drivers for their devices for the customers to download. That is also support service. Dash is the process of conducting the banking transactions over the internet. Well, that is known as internet banking or electronic banking. Name some banking websites. So these are centralbankofindia.co.in, bankofbaroda.co.in, iob.in, and pnbindia.in, denabank.co.in. Name the various e-commerce models, business models. These are regarding various business models. It means who is involved, which two parties are involved in the online transaction. So these are business to customer, B2C, B2B, business to business, C2C, consumer to consumer, and remember the fourth one, C2B, consumer to business, that is reverse process. Name the various e-commerce models where government is involved. Actually, there are also some models where government is involved. These are G2B, government to business, G2C, government to citizen. Remember, here the word is citizen and not consumer. G2G, government to government. What is the full form of GPS? GPS means Global Positioning System. Which of the following is a computer program that detects, prevents, and takes action to remove the malicious codes like viruses, worms, and Trojan horses from the infected system? So if there is any infection in computer system, then we can remove it using a proper antivirus software. So options are antivirus software, digital certificate, firewall, or cryptography. Well, the answer is antivirus software. Which of the following is an attack used to shut down a machine or network, making it inaccessible to its intended users? So actually this technique stops the usage of particular computer or server. So the options are malicious code, denial of service, spoofing, or cyber vandalism. Well, the answer is denial of service. Which of the following is known as electronic defacing of an existing website page? Replacing. So that is the options are cyber vandalism, denial of service, spoofing, and malicious code. Well, the answer is cyber vandalism. Which of the following is known as, this question has come again, so the answer is cyber vandalism. Who developed SSL protocol? Google, Netscape, Yahoo, or Firefox? The correct answer is Netscape. And which of the following starting address indicates that the site is secured by SSL protocol? The options are http://ssl:/http-ssl:// or https://. Well, the correct answer is https://d. Which is the application for mobile services in Android market provided by Union Bank? So the options are U-Mobile, H-Mobile, D-Mobile, or M-Mobile. The answer is U-Mobile. GPS signal locates the device in the range of dash meters: 100 meters, 200 meters, 500 meters, or 700 meters. The correct answer is C, 500 meters. And which type of network is internet? Personal, public, private, or government? The answer is public. A dash is a program that uses internet to record information that passes through a computer or router in transit from sender to receiver. The options are malicious code, cyber vandalism, denial of service, and sniffer. So this is about recording information from in between. So the answer is D, sniffer. Dash is called the most commonly used network protection barrier between company's network and the outside world. So in between network and outside world, we can put a device. That device can either be computer system or router. So options are iWall, eWall, internet, or firewall. So the correct answer is firewall. So firewall is either a computer system or a router. Whose primary goal is to keep intruders away from the company's e-commerce infrastructure? Well, the same answer, firewall. And which protocol is used for e-commerce security? So for various types of information, there are various protocols. For security purpose, there is SSL protocol. Which is the reverse process of encryption? The reverse process is decryption. Encryption and decryption, and in combination it is known as cryptography. And which of the following text does not make any meaning? So it is not readable. Private text, decrypted text, ciphertext, or none? Well, the answer is C, ciphertext. So this chapter is over. Thank you very much. And now in the next chapter we have to start object oriented programming. So from here the entire topic gets changed. So here we have to study a very popular language known as Java. But before that, we will see the basics of object oriented programming and how it is done. So that we will see in the next chapter. Thank you.